Welcome to the Grand Egyptian Museum, the world's largest archaeological museum, located just 2 kilometers from the iconic Giza pyramids. A project decades in the making, this architectural wonder is set to open its doors fully on July 3, 2025. Let's take a closer look at what makes this museum truly extraordinary. Construction of the Grand Egyptian Museum began in 2012, with the vision of creating a world-class home for Egypt's most treasured artifacts. Designed by the Irish firm Hennigan Pung Architects, the museum structure aligns with the Great Pyramid of Khufu, creating a seamless connection between ancient history and modern innovation. With a cost exceeding $1 billion, this project is a monumental investment in Egypt's cultural heritage. Spanning over 490,000 square meters, the museum will house more than 100,000 artifacts, including the complete collection of King Tutankhamun's treasures, many displayed for the first time. Visitors can also marvel at the colossal statue of Pharaoh Ramses II, which was relocated to the museum's grand atrium in 2018. The museum isn't just about artifacts, it's a state-of-the-art experience. GEM will feature immersive digital displays, virtual reality exhibits, a children's museum, and a research center. The design even incorporates alabaster stone to filter in natural light, giving the museum a timeless glow. Although construction faced multiple delays due to funding and global events, GEM began limited public access in February 2023. By October 2024, 12 galleries opened as part of a trial run, but the full experience, including the highly anticipated Tutankhamun exhibition and the Solar Boat Museum, will be unveiled in 2025. Guests can explore the Grand Staircase, lined with statues of Egypt's greatest pharaohs, and take in breathtaking views of the pyramids. Special exhibitions, cultural events, and musical performances have already begun at the museum, setting the stage for an unforgettable experience. The Grand Egyptian Museum is more than just a museum, it's a gateway to the past and a beacon for the future of Egyptology. Whether you're an archaeology enthusiast or a traveler seeking history's wonders, this is a must-visit destination. Will you be visiting once it officially opens? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible explorations of Egypt's history and wonders.